Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to change Likey phone number. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open your Likey apps on your phone. And now tap on the slash icon in the left top in the corner. And now you have to tap on settings in the bottom of your screen. After that, in the setting page, tap on account. Now you will see linked account, tap on it. And in the first option, when you see phone, you have to tap on it. After that, tap on change phone number. You will receive a verification code to your first number. Just enter it. And now, you just have to tap your new phone number here. Tap send code here. And you will receive a text as a verification code. So you just have to enter it. 2355 and 88. 2355 and 88. And yeah, just it. Now your phone number is already changed in Likey. So guys, just it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.